Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about passenger hoist drop test procedure. It's very important in the construction sector. The passenger hoist, all the statutory requirements to be met and ensure the periodic inspection to be in place. Now the drop test generally will see the safety limit switches or safety gears working or not working. That is what the drop test. So generally as a standard we take 10 meter height upwards. From there we suddenly now release, and once it is released, immediately within 1 floor height, means 3 meter height, it should be stopped immediately. If it is stopped, and that means the safety devices are working. That is how the drop test to be done. If it is not stopped and it comes to the ground level, and that means the safety devices are failure. This is how the drop test to be done. Thank you.